Hello everyone. Today we are turning cabbage and chickpeas into something absolutely delicious. This recipe is quick, healthy and packed with flavor. You won't believe how easy it is. Let's get started. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Enjoy your meal.